everybody, it's Julie, and today we are making clusters. I need to make 7 of them, and the first ones I am going to make are for my March challenge. Actually, I'll make one for my March challenge, and then I'll make one for the Dollar Tree challenge. And I'm going to be using these tea bags as my base. And so let's go ahead. We'll start with the Dollar Tree challenge one. And I'm thinking we've got pieces of the of this. We've got pieces of this. I think that will be fabulous. And we've got some of our fabric. And so I think a piece of our fabric would be fabulous. And then a piece of our lace. Okay. And I will be making these all the same. Okay. And I won't probably be making 7 of them for the Dollar Tree. I don't think I need that many. I think I want some of the, do we have any of the thread? Messy thread. Messy thread. I've got a little piece. Okay. So, little piece of messy thread. Go around. Okay, and then I'll just be gluing that together, and that will be great. Okay, and then for the March challenge, I'm going to use the tea bag. I have some of the greenery, and I'm going to use the glue stick for this. Okay, glue stick. Because it will just blend onto the tea bag. Okay, that's what I want it to do. Okay, so there. Okay, and then for this one, I'm thinking a little bit of words. Okay, so remember with this one, I get to use typed pages that have no pictures. Okay, so there's that. And then I need to add two more things. And one of them I need to add is a digital. And so because these are so small, I'm going to go ahead and use pieces of the digitals. Remember, you never have to use things exactly as they are unless, you know, somebody has said, hey, you need to use that exactly as it was. Okay, so I want to see that. So and the other thing is I need one more thing. And I'm thinking, oh, we've got this piece. So I'll be making 7 of these, and I will be making. Okay, what if we? Okay, and they will all be extremely similar is how they are this time. You can do them, you can have all of them be different, or you can have them be the same. Okay, so we added tissue, book page, ribbon, and the digital. And our base is the tea bag, and so there's that one. Let's go ahead and glue this one together. And I'm going to, for this napkin, wish me luck, I'm going to try and, yeah, it's working. Okay. It curls up. Do you see it? Did you see it curl up? Okay. We're going to put this on here best we can. Okay. Okay. And then we'll go ahead, come down here. So this is for my Dollar Tree junk journal. And then I can use this on pages that just need a little something. I could add it to different things. It just really doesn't want to come out. So there we go. We'll add the lace and the fabric, and then we're going to go ahead and make a puddle. I'm going to add that. And go out so that we have places for the strings to get caught. Okay. So there's my cluster. I do have an idea for another cluster for them, and that is using the card. Okay, if I can find the beautiful cards that we have. Or not. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and, so I'm going to make 6 more like that. And we're going to go ahead and cut this card apart. Okay, cut this card apart. I have this piece here. I'm going to come over and come around this bird, around this stem. Okay, so there's that. And we have some of the fabric. And this time I think we'll put the lace on top of the fabric. I wish I had bling. Ding, ding, ding. That would be like so perfect to be able to add bling on here. I think I'm going to come in and get rid of this right here. Okay. But there's that one. Okay. And we can also use the stapler to staple them, staple clusters. Okay, so there's another cluster for that. And so another one that we could do is just one of these pretty flowers. The cool thing about these can be like little tabs. There's a lot of things that you can do with these. And then again, just add the fabric. and the lace. You could add some stitching. We have used some ribbon in this, so we could go ahead and throw a piece of ribbon in there. I don't want to cover up my flower. So yeah, so you can glue or staple or sew, but you can see we're using the pieces of this because you can make one that's a little bit bigger with the hibiscus flower here. You've got another bird. You have the giant purple flower. I want to be really careful around this leaf and around the bird. Okay, so we've got another one. I think this one I'm going to have the lace go down. And I'm going to, okay, there's that one. Okay, now for, and then I've got the bird, the other bird, I've got this, I've got this, I've got all these things that I can do. But I can also, you know, make one more of those. I can use these other places. So yeah, I think that that is really, really fun. Could add some more of the little threads to these when I have some more threads. I'm going to put that right up there. Okay, so let's do another. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on time lapse. So we'll go through and get these done. And I can mark this off my list. Yay. Yay for marking things off, right? So congratulations to those who finished. I know a couple of you finished just as soon as we got that mini challenge in the challenge and the kite item up. So yeah, time lapse. Here we go. I'm going to take these and do some stitching on them. Okay, so we added some stitching, and so I think we'll do the same, add some stitching to these, and I'll be right back. Okay, so these all have stitching, and I did do them in a train, but I every other one the thread would break. It is old thread, but I do want to use it. It's like so far I'm able to see to thread the needle, so it's not frustrating in that way, except for the fact that it just keeps breaking. It is frustrating, but okay, so we'll have a little bit of thread, not much because I did the train. So okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these still need, they all have their Dear Julie Julie digital, and we'll count their things. They all have a tea bag. They all have a tissue, and a book page and stitching. So yeah, so they all have at least their 3 items, and they're digital. So these are ready to be put into the journal when I get a chance. So the one other thing that we want to do, of course, because we've been adding to the tiny houses, is the little bit of the gold onto the digital. Now this one I'm going to go in the round. This one, it's the tree, will go down here. And we'll put some in the tree. Okay. This one will go down here, kind of finishing the bottom of that off. And you know, I like to add some to the top. To the Ace of Hearts here. Okay. This one will go down here where the little person is. Come up here and put some on either side if we can. Okay. Adding grunge. And there's Tom's beep, beep, beep. So this is going to be the end of this. I think what I have left to make, I may have already shown it, but I still need to make the, as I'm sitting here, the belly band. I still need to make that for this challenge. I just made it last month, so I posted that video. And let's see, I have the stack of sticker. That's all I have left. Okay, so there we go. We have our 7, and I also made several for the Dollar Tree journal. And those are right here. Okay, so these are ready for the Dollar Tree journal. And there you go. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.
Felt like he wanted us to drive the car.
Okay.
So let's do that. And then if we leave now, we'll have plenty.